Hello. Hello. Please speak. अनम्यूट कर लीजिए आपको. Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, now it is okay. Now fine. Now fine. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. Good, good.
Loud and clear.
Yeah, very good. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Acha, you are an ex-serviceman.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations. Very rarely I
Thanks,
get
sir.
ex-servicemen for interviews, and that too of this status. For example, I used to get ex-servicemen with only 1 degree or so, but you have done CA also. Good.
CMA, sir, cost accountant.
Sorry, cost account also. So that
Then it's a national record.
Yeah.
के in Indian books of record के Indian Navy से कोई CMA cost auditor है.
Yeah, very good. So that way I'm very happy. Now, you are anticipating some campus recruitment in your cost accounting institute, correct?
Yes, sir. 11 to 13th April.
अच्छा, oh, तारीख भी दे दिया वो लोग 11 to 13.
Yes, sir.
Good, good.
Yes, sir.
So now for this, number one area is I think I sent you one list of questions, most common interview questions.
Yes, sir.
उसमें देखा आपने उसको
Yes,
पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा है?
पढ़ा था, sir.
Very good. उसमें से कुछ डाउट है आपका? Do you have any doubt about answering those questions or how to prepare for those questions like that? Because many of them are related to your personality only, so it is not a very tough one. आपको कुछ डाउट होगा तो पूछ लीजिए, जो हमारे से हो पाएगा हम जरूर आपको बोलेंगे. Yes.
Sir, एक क्वेश्चन तो आप 5 साल बाद अपने आप को कहाँ देखते हैं? इट्स अ कॉमन क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, good. Yeah.
इसका रिप्लाई कैसे करें?
Yeah. Now tell me what is the answer you will give.
After 5 years, I want to reach your industry at the top in among your peer industries, and if your industry grow, I also grow.
But इसको straight away you can tell, I see myself having received one promotion at least during the 5-year period, because I would have improved my expertise relating to the field and also improved my effectiveness or result producing capacity, and I'm sure I would have received a promotion, something like that. Okay, if it is bank, normally in bank means I will tell them I see myself as a scale 2 manager, because there they have a regular periodicity of promotion and all that. Whereas if you happen to go into an organization where there is no periodicity of promotions and all, then you have to generalize it by telling, I see myself having received one promotion at least. You will know for which post you are appearing from that next level. Okay.
I appearing most commonly assistant manager.
Then you say, you tell I would have become manager.
Yes, sir.
That is the normal trend. Na? That is what is happening. You can't say I will become MD of the company. Only very rarely, unless you are son of Ambani, you can't become MD in 5 years and all that. Samajh gaya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So
like a manager or senior manager.
Okay, senior manager चाहिए तो बता दीजिए, no problem. So आपको any other doubts in that paper? Yeah, most common. Yeah.
The most common is strength and weakness. And what can.
Yeah. वो क्या बताएगा, आप बताइए हमको। फॉर बाद में हम करेक्ट करेगा आपको। हाँ, I think the first question itself is what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? First question itself is that one only. Correct?
My strength, when I decided something, I will do it passionately,
Mm,
and I gave 100% to achieve my goal.
good. That's a good point. Then,
And weakness, if you
mm,
weakness, if you give me a confidence, if you,
mm.
I'm थोड़ा weakness, समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलूं.
No, no. For the first question, your answer is not sufficient. आप अभी एक लिंक भेजा, उसको क्लिक कर दीजिए. Are you a member of my Telegram group? Any of my Telegram groups? No.
No, sir.
Doesn't matter. Not needed. But now अभी आपको WhatsApp में एक लिंक दिया है, इसको क्लिक कर दीजिए ना.
कर दिया सर.
देखिए क्या दिया है उसमें.
Goal setting, sir.
हाँ बताइए. रीड.
What is the relevance of goal setting to time management? Why we have to set goals? Goal setting can help us decide what to do with our time. Goal improve our performance. Goal increase our personal satisfaction when we achieve them. Goals increase our motivation. Goal raise our self-confidence when we achieve them. Goal tend to improve our concentration in our work. It reduces stress and anxiety. While setting goals, one has to keep the objectives in mind. A study conducted has relevant the following characteristics may be present in the achievement need oriented individual. Creativity, creative, calculated risk taking, not too discouraged by failure, hardworking, taking personal responsibility, desires feedback and learns from experience, recognizing errors, has self confidence, success oriented, competitive, positive attitude, time is important, innovative, like challenges, dynamic, identified with creating and changing, take initiative, there is always a better way, high tolerance for ambiguities, leader, ability to grasp quickly, intensive, good communication skills, healthy interpersonal skills, good team leader, team memberships, enjoy talking to customer, enjoy amazing about new opportunities, new events.
New avenues. Yeah.
Yes, sir, new avenues.
Yeah. इसका ये सब का बारे में आप बात करना चाहिए. You must be able to tell. No. Actually, you are a real interview में ये question नहीं आएगा. But if you really think about all these things, you can tell what are your strengths. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
अभी बताइए. Say, supposing you take any 2 points and talk about it and its presence in you.
My biggest strength is my self-confidence.
Acha.
Sir,
That is
sir,
number 7, na? Right. Bataiye.
I'm confident that after serving 15 years in a service in Indian Navy, I do the CMA and I achieve it in 2021, December 21. It show my self-confidence. There is a lots of ups and downs comes in my life, but I am confident I will achieve it. And I have many attempts to clear the CMA, but my confidence remains still. I am confident to achieve my goal.
Okay, but now can you not correlate this with your Navy experience or your present job experience?
Self-confidence.
No, I would request you to choose some of these qualities which can be correlated to your work experience. See, getting a degree, getting a qualification there is no, it is only individual involvement. You are studying, you are preparing, you are writing, and you get success. It is not competitive. If you score 40 marks, 50 marks, you are pass. So that is, I won't say it is not good, but in a competitive environment में बोलने का उसमें कुछ नहीं है. आप जो क्वालिटी है, जहां आप अभी का काम में जो करते हैं और पहले नेवी में जो किया है, उसका बारे में आपको कॉन्फिडेंस का बारे में कुछ बोल सकता तो अच्छा होगा. और अदरवाइज एनी ऑफ दीज क्वालिटीज, ये 12 में 25 क्वालिटीज आर देयर, इसमें से एक क्वालिटी, दो क्वालिटी ले लीजिए, उसमें से बता दीजिए, ठीक है. बट रियल इंटरव्यू में ऐसा नहीं होगा. रियल इंटरव्यू में वो लोग पूछेगा वो आपका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, व्हाई शुड वी सेलेक्ट यू, व्हाट मेक्स यू थिंक यू आर सुटेबल फॉर दिस जॉब, व्हाट इज देयर इन यू दैट इज नॉट देयर इन अदर्स. Same thing, same question can be put in different forms, but the answer is same only. So under those circumstances, आपने example दे के बताने से तो अच्छा होता है. And example must be very brief. आप लोग का cost account interview में normally कितना समय लेते हैं? Any, did you hear about that? Last year में क्या हुआ?
Sir, 30 minutes है. Sir, actually 135 students हैं, 3 days हैं. So 30 minutes I think interview में.
30 minutes होगा. So maybe they will have 2-3 batches, panels.
नहीं सर, पैनल्स में सर अगर PSU है तो 5 to 7, नॉर्मल में 2-3 मैक्सिमम.
No, I am not asking about number of members. I am asking, अच्छा.
नहीं, इंडिविजुअली जाएंगे सर, वो तो इंटरव्यू देंगे.
ना, आप लोग इंडिविजुअली जाएंगे और एक एक कंपनी सेपरेट जाएगा. बट अभी देखिए, बैंकिंग होगा तो एक ही जगह पर 5 पैनल्स होता है, 5 पैनल्स ऑफ 5 मेंबर्स. ऐसा पे होगा तो एक पैनल विल सी ओनली 20 पीपल इन अ डे. Not
सर एक्चुअली में
not 20, 40, yeah.
अगर PSU में इंडियन ऑयल अगर इंटरव्यू ले रही है, अगर उसमें ज्यादा 30-35 बच्चे चले गए और उनको सिलेक्ट अगर 7 to 8 करने, तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन करवा देंगे अगर उनको निकालना होगा तो.
गुड. आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन का बारे में जानते तो आप क्या करना है, यू प्लीज गो टू groupdiscussionideas.com. अभी एक लिंक दे रहा हूँ.
यस सर.
groupdiscussionideas.com. एक मिनट. Yeah, so this is what it is. आपको WhatsApp में दे दिया.
यस सर.
One minute. Your number is this. You are actually from which place?
सर गुड़गांव, हरियाणा.
अच्छा. You are not connected with you are not from UP, na?
No sir.
Very good. So I have given the link for you.
Yes sir.
Group discussion ideas. उसको क्लिक कर दीजिए.
कर दिया सर.
हाँ, देखिए क्या होता है उसमें. बढ़िया होगा. जब आपको समय मिलता है, लाइक न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग, इसको भी आप पढ़ने से आपको सुविधा हो जाएगा.
Yes sir.
Straight roads do not make skillful drivers. Unicorn. अभी this may be relevant for you. Unicorn में, I think definition of unicorn itself is something important. Say,
Yes,
in a global unicorn index 2021, India ranked 3rd in the world after US and China. In the business world, unicorn is a startup that reaches valuation of $1 billion.
$1 billion.
समझ गया?
Yes sir.
That is 1 billion का मतलब $100 crore. Unicorns in India, are you able to see that?
Yes, sir.
अब थोड़ा उसको पढ़ लीजिए, यूनिकॉर्न्स इन इंडिया.
Yes, sir. As of February 2022, there are 91 unicorns in India. InMobi became the first unicorn in India in 2011. After that, several startups reached the valuation of $1 billion. In 2021, around 44 startups emerged as unicorns.
अच्छा, इसके एज अ कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट आपको इन मोबी का बारे में जानना जरूरी होगा. व्हाट इज इन
इसके
मोबी
बाद
कंपनी, वो गूगल में सर्च
yes,
करके फाइंड आउट कर दीजिए.
yes, okay, sir.
देन कंटिन्यू.
As per the report by
बाय पीडब्ल्यूसी का मतलब क्या है?
Dr. Oh, sir, Big Four company.
प्राइस वाटर हाउस ना?
Yes, sir. PricewaterhouseCoopers.
हाँ, करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट. हाँ.
India, 50 more startups are expected to achieve unicorn status in the year 2022. The startups that have growth potential and the possibility of achieving unicorn status are called unicorns. As of the end of February 2022, India has already 10 unicorns. At present in India, venture capitalist funding is growing because we are one of the largest market in the world and also have good internet penetration, so more unicorns are going to come. As the startup ecosystem is now more supportive, there is also a flywheel effect, which means employees in the startups are coming out after gaining some experience to launch their own startups. Moreover, now we have more experienced mentors, so the number of potential unicorn is continuously increasing. But more number of unicorns does not mean more jobs. Some unicorns create plenty of jobs, while some others are largely technologically driven. But due to the flywheel effect, unicorn are created employment opportunities either directly or indirectly. Some are of the opinion that some of the startups are overvalued. As of February 2022, India has 5 decacorns, which means startup that reach the valuation of $10 billion. Decacorn in India are Flipkart, Paytm, Baidu, Oyo, and Swiggy. The statuses such as Minicorn, a startup that have reached valuation of $1 million, Unicorn, Decacorn, Hectacorn, a startup that reached the valuation of $100 billion, can motivate and encourage entrepreneurs.
Good.
In the business world, a unicorn is a startup that reached a valuation of $1 billion. India replaced the UK and became the third top country in hosting the unicorns. As the startup ecosystem is now more supportive and the venture capitalist funding is growing, more startup will emerge as unicorn in the coming years. What are your thoughts on unicorn? Express your point of view through the comment section below and subscribe to our blog to read answer of the trending GD topics.
So actually, if you go through that, you may get other people's ideas also. If you go through the comments and all. But abhi zarurat nahi hai. Now, so this is one such blog. Likewise, you can read for other GD topics also, and that will help you answer the questions comfortably. For example,
Yes, sir.
important GD topics, right में जाइए. Russia Ukraine crisis, NATO, high fuel prices, global refugee crisis, union budget, Omicron, COVID-19, India's COVID-19, is war the best way to solve disputes? Then NEET. This of course they won't ask you. NEET is exam oriented. आपको आएगा नहीं है. Then likewise, you can prepare on these lines, and likewise there are so many other topics are also given. Yeah, so you please go through that and prepare yourself so that next time when we meet, if I ask you to tell about the topic, you may be able to tell some ideas about it. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, अभी हम नहीं पूछेंगे आपसे. बाद में जब आप तैयार हो जाएंगे, उसका बाद में पूछने से तो आपको बढ़िया होगा. Now coming to the most common interview questions, जिसमें we have discussed strengths. Strengths अभी हम बता दिया क्या बोलना है.
Yes, sir.
मेनली हम जो कॉमनली बच्चा लोग का क्या बोल रहे हैं, आई एम अ क्विक लर्नर, I am a hard-working person. I am a creative person. I enjoy hard work and I do not give up things immediately. I am good in time management. I am also good in, I am a leader and a good team player also. I keep priorities and I try to achieve them. Something like that. इतना बताएंगे, समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
ये सब बोलने का जरूरत नहीं, इसमें से कुछ जो आपको मन में अच्छा लगता है उसको बोलने से सुविधा हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये कॉन्फिडेंटली बताना है.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are your weaknesses? This is a very tough question. You are a Navy person, आपको भी weakness होगा?
Weakness. अब पॉजिटिव वे में बताना ना सर.
Positive में नहीं है, but that which can be changed. You should not tell something which cannot be changed. For example, बताइए. Impatience, anger,
No, sir.
and a sort of these two can be told commonly. You can say I'm trying to overcome them by doing yoga and meditation, but everybody is going to tell the same thing. उसको आप
But sir, in accounting line, the patience is required.
accounting line,
The,
accounting line,
the patience required. We have not lose temper.
yeah. अकाउंटिंग में आपको ट्रायल बैलेंस में टैली होना, बैलेंस शीट टैली होना तो मुश्किल है. एंड बट आजकल इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज कंप्यूटराइज्ड. समझ गया? आप जो काम करते हैं जो कंपनी में, सो व्हाट इज दी they will ask questions relating to your present job role. इसका बारे में without telling the name of the company बताइए.
Sorry, sir.
Without telling the name of your company, please tell us what is the job role you are playing now.
So I am playing the job role of account executive, where I done GST maintenance of books of accounts, ledgers, purchase, sales voucher, and GST filing the GST returns, monthly returns, annual returns, and I am also filing income tax audit report form 3CB.
अच्छा, आपने बुक बोलते हैं, आजकल भी बुक रखता है ना क्या?
तो बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स ही बोलते हैं.
होता है. Even now you are maintaining books. अच्छा, besides computerization, books भी रखते हैं?
नहीं, बुक्स नहीं रखते सर, कंप्यूटराइज में होता है, लेकिन फाइलिंग वगैरह करते हैं, वाउचर्स फाइल करने पड़ते हैं, जो इनके फिजिकल वाउचर होते हैं.
या
वो फाइल करने पड़ते हैं.
कुछ परचेस करना, सेल करना, ये तो करस्पॉन्डेंस होगा
अभी
कंपनी से. या
ई इनवाइस गवर्नमेंट ने सर अभी 20 करोड़ तक करे हैं, जिनका करोड़ टर्नओवर 20 करोड़ अप टू, उनके लिए ई इनवाइस मैंडेटरी हुए हैं अभी. और जिनका टर्नओवर 20 करोड़ से लेस देन 20 करोड़, उनके लिए वाउचर अभी फिजिकल फॉर्म में चल रहे हैं.
So you are coming under the second category.
Sir, cost audit, agar if I go to cost audit line, then cost audit required 100 crore turnover. Then cost audit is applicable.
100 crore. ऐसे में भी how many companies may be there in India with 100 crore turnover?
I think 7%, sir. 7%.
7% of companies are having more than 100 crore.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ज़्यादा होगा. So can you name a few of them?
100 crore above, sir. Maruti, Hero Honda, Hero, Maruti, Senchar, PSUs,
So one
PSU.
1 minute, 1 minute. Hello. Yes, please. Acha, Rahul. Yeah, Rahul. Tell me, Rahul. I have already given you a person who is going to attend, and Acha, I have already given you the questions they are asking in the interviews. And no, but yeah, you prepare on that. And also regarding candidates numbers, I don't keep in touch with them after they're getting into banks and all. Jada contact nahi hai hamara. And I don't. So, but believe in me and go through the questions I have given you. Believe in your Federal Bank website. Believe in RBI website. Believe in the videos I have posted. Based on that, make out your notes. Then you can do very well. Yeah, yeah. No, no, good. You can do it very well. And only thing is communication in English that should be made more confident. Okay, please do it. I'm now in an interview now. If you want, I will call you after this interview. Thank you. Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we were talking about above 100 crore companies. Yeah.
All PSUs
uh,
and MNCs and manufacturing Tata and Reliance, Accenture, Nestle, ITC and manufacturing service sector में TCS,
Infosys, Wipro,
MRF, Infosys,
CTS,
Wipro,
CTS.
CTS.
Very good. Now, आपको ये question आएगा. What is the problem going on in future Reliance, Amazon crisis?
So there is a presently dispute in a high court between the Reliance and Amazon, and there is a asset related.
What is that? No, I don't know the full details. For example, shall we search it in Google and see what they are telling? I know that they are trying to take, Reliance is trying to take over. Reliance,
Yes.
Future, then Amazon.
So there is a retail shops, retail outlets, then Reliance try to take a lease.
Here it dates back to
and Amazon trying to out of the court on the table, trying to meeting with Reliance.
No. Why Amazon is objecting to Reliance taking over? And why should they prevent them from taking over, and what role these people have to prevent that? I think Supreme Court has nullified that. Now Reliance is going ahead with taking over all the companies.
Yes, sir.
And in what way it will affect future retail, that person, and also now whether it is going in a right direction, I mean, whether it is going beneficial or not for the future people or Reliance people. ये क्या है dispute between Amazon and Reliance. I think there is one video that is coming. Dispute between Amazon and Reliance News, Pushkar Singh.
ये न्यूज़ बिजनेस एंड इकोनॉमी वर्ल्ड के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो दैट्स व्हाई आज हम इस पूरे डिस्प्यूट को इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। सो इन अक्टूबर 2020 अमेज़न ने अपने पार्टनर फ्यूचर ग्रुप पे आरोप लगाया कि फ्यूचर ग्रुप ने उल्लंघन किया था म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट का, जो कि अमेज़न एंड फ्यूचर ग्रुप के बीच में हुआ था। अमेज़न का कहना था कि फ्यूचर ग्रुप ने अपनी एसेट सेल डील रिलायंस के साथ अनाउंस करके अमेज़न के साथ म्यूचुअल एग्रीमेंट का उल्लंघन किया। यहाँ पर फ्यूचर ग्रुप कंपनी अपनी फ्यूचर्स रिटेल, होलसेल, लॉजिस्टिक एंड वेयर हाउसिंग यूनिट्स को सेल कर रहा है। सो डिस्प्यूट की शुरुआत कुछ ऐसे होती है दोस्तों कि Amazon 49% स्टेक लेता है फ्यूचर ग्रुप के अनलिस्टेड फर्म्स का इन लास्ट ईयर विद द राइट कि वो आगे जाकर फ्यूचर रिटेल लिमिटेड का स्टेक भी लेगा कुछ साल बाद. But the retailer ran into a severe cash crunch when India went into a lockdown. इनमें अब Amazon चाहता था कि वो अपनी स्टेक फ्यूचर रिटेल में और इंक्रीज करे, बट कुछ भी ऐसा डील नहीं हुआ था फ्यूचर रिटेल और Amazon के बीच. ये बस बात हो रही. तब तक उसी टाइम फ्यूचर रिटेल ने रिलायंस के साथ एग्रीमेंट साइन किया कि वो रिलायंस को अपनी कुछ यूनिट्स जैसे फ्यूचर रिटेल, होलसेल, लॉजिस्टिक एंड वेयर हाउसिंग यूनिट्स को सेल करे. एंड इसी मुद्दे पर Amazon का कहना है कि जब उसने अनलिस्टेड फ्यूचर यूनिट्स को खरीदा तो उसकी राइट हो गई कि वो बाकी यूनिट्स भी खरीदेगा, और उसका ये राइट ऑब्लिगेशन लगाता है बाकी पर्सन्स और कंपनीज पे कि वो ये यूनिट्स नहीं खरीद सकते, इंक्लूडिंग अंबानी एंड रिलायंस. तो फ्रेंड्स, अब हम ये देखते हैं कि एक्चुअल में ये फाइट है कि जब बेजोस का Amazon एंड मुकेश अंबानी का जियो मार्ट, ये दोनों कंपनीज रिटेल सेक्टर के गैंग्स हैं, और ये फाइट इंडिया के $1 ट्रिलियन कंज्यूमर रिटेल मार्केट में अपना दबदबा बनाने के डोमिनेंस के, और फ्यूचर ग्रुप में इन दो कंपनीज के बीच में हिस्सा जा रहा है.
The voice is not clear, sir.
Yeah, wait.
जब वो फ्यूचर
Yeah.
तो वो ऑलमोस्ट
Yeah, 1 minute. Are you able to listen to that? No.
No, sir.
No, you are not getting it. Then I will give you the link in your WhatsApp. 1 minute. Your number is 70154. अच्छा, this is the WhatsApp. देखिए, अभी इसको क्लिक कर दीजिए. क्लिक किया?
Yes, sir.
देखिए, but of course आवाज बाहर में नहीं आता. अच्छा, because I have put this correct. I have put this. You are not able to hear. Yeah. Now that is a problem. But थोड़ा मालूम होता है. Whatever they
Yes,
say.
sir.
को इसी बात की चिंता है. अब Amazon चाहता है कि वो बिलियन पीपल को कैप्चर करे थ्रू इंडियन मार्केट, और Amazon का ये प्लान भी है कि वो $6.5 बिलियन इन्वेस्ट करेगा इन इंडियन मार्केट. आफ्टर दिस Amazon ने फ्यूचर ग्रुप को एक्यूज किया फॉर ब्रीचिंग ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इन.
Correct. I will give this link in our Telegram group so that everybody will see that what is this problem about, and
Yes,
also they will come to know of it. Even I don't know, but Abhi, after listening to this, I have some idea that future retail ne initially they sold some portion of it to Amazon, some unlisted companies. Thereafter, since not much progress was being made by Amazon in acquiring further units, future retail, because they were running short of money and all, they agreed to sell certain retail outlets to our what is that? Reliance. And probably they would have taken some advance which helped them to continue with the company. And now the situation is like this. Many of the places where Future have got their shops, they have not paid the rent for so many days, so many months.
Yes,
and now those owners have given notice to them to vacate. And now the situation has come to be that Reliance will take over the debt relating to that, what is that, say rent and all that, and try to take over the companies, not only what was agreed upon earlier, some 950 units or so they are going to take over. And it seems this is a $1 trillion economic complex cover ho jayega if only these three companies join together.
Yes, sir.
Our total economy is $3 trillion. $3 trillion. इसमें से 1/3 is controlled by Mukesh Ambani, and then this future Kishore Biyani. इनका नाम है Kishore Biyani, and then this Amazon. So this is what it is. And as a cost accountant, it is better you get to know about it so that in case some situation comes, they can ask you questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. ये पढ़ लीजिए. And current affairs भी you be reading newspaper at least from 1st of March about economy, about insurance, about the line in which you are appearing for interview. पेट्रोल होने से पेट्रोलियम का बारे में, सपोजिंग यू आर
Yes.
अपियरिंग फॉर IOC,
Yes, sir.
they can ask a question, what will be the impact of this $130 per barrel increase? इसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा? अभी पेट्रोल प्राइस रिवाइज किया नहीं किया अभी तक?
सर राइज हो गया था लेकिन अभी कम हो गया वापस.
हाँ,
The price will be reduced now.
why reduce now?
So there is a 25% discount they given from
अच्छा.
Russia side to India.
अच्छा, हो रियली? और तो हम देखा नहीं इसका. 25% discount they have given to India. So that means 25% means 130, 25%, it will come down to $100, same $100. So अभी मार्केट में क्या पेट्रोल प्राइस 11th 12th
95 है सर, 95 रुपीस पर लीटर.
पहले कितना था?
100 क्रॉस कर गया था सर.
अच्छा, अभी हम लोग का बेनिफिट हो गया.
यस सर.
Yeah, and also it seems our Ambani is getting benefited by this. He is going to export lot to Europe.
Yes sir.
That report also has come. Uska bare mein bhi they will ask questions. So now I have not gone into your subject yet. Casting बारे में हमने नहीं गया. उसमें बहुत कुछ पूछ सकते हैं. If you know, you are the person who is studying that. But if you want to know what type of questions can be posted, आपने Google में जाके google.com में जाके cost accountancy related interview questions सर्च कर दीजिए. Similarly,
Actually,
yeah,
there are different companies and there are different requirement. Someone require applicant from taxation, someone require for finance side, someone require accountant, someone require cost accountant.
yeah.
There is a different requirement
No,
for
I
different
know,
companies.
I know. You have to search. I have searched yesterday. पूरा कर दिया हमने. आपका
Yes.
information आने का बाद में I went through Google, and I got lot of areas like say finance, taxation, then cost accounting, another one area also. Another
Accountant.
one.
Accountant.
Accountancy, वो भी मिल गया. अकाउंटेंसी के लिए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मेरे पास शॉर्टर कॉमर्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस है. आई कैन गिव यू दैट इटसेल्फ. 1 मिनट. कॉमर्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस मेरे पास होगा. कॉमर्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. या I will attach this for you, or I will give it fully for you, no problem. अभी डाल दिया. These are the commerce related questions, but very simple.
Yes, sir.
अभी दे दिया ना.
We are freshers, so they expect a basic question.
This is basic का, but आपको different होगा. And regarding आपको main questions will be on GST. GST का बारे में what questions can be asked? I'm searching Google now. GST related interview questions. Most common asked interview questions, these skills. So you get to know all this. आप पढ़ने के बाद में आइए. I will ask because I don't want to put you into embarrassment. ठीक है? इसको
Sir,
click,
actually,
इसको क्लिक कीजिए. V skills का क्लिक कीजिए ना.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Click now.
उसमें बहुत कुछ है. हो सकता है they can ask you that, but they will not ask you like this and all. They will ask you, अरे भाई GST में आप क्या काम करते हैं? ये GST में आपका रोल क्या है? ये कैसे आपको कंपनी को हेल्प करता है? ये GST कम करने के लिए क्या कोशिश हम लोग कर, something like that. They can go on be asking questions. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Costing interview questions अभी दे देगा आपको. Maybe you already have it, but फिर भी आप इसको भी ready कर दीजिए.
Sir, actually, in subject domain, I have no problem. My problem is that when I go to interview room, I able to speak at least 30 minutes in English. That's my problem. A question professional area, costing, accounting, GST, I will able to give answer. But my problem is that I am able to speak 30 minutes. But
No, you will be
that's what I want
you are you are doing better because you are a Navy person, and Navy may, of course, you would have been talking in Hindi. Inside Navy, were you talking in Hindi or English?
Sir, mostly in Hindi.
मोस्टली इन हिंदी. सिमिलरली आपको अभी इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं तब स्टार्टिंग वगैरह में आपको अंग्रेजी होगा, बाद में वो लोग भी हिंदी में चल जाएगा बिकॉज दे आर मोर कंफर्टेबल इन हिंदी. उसी वजह से आप चिंता मत करो. इफ अ पर्सन इज गुड इन हिज सब्जेक्ट ही कैन सक्सीड.
Yes, sir.
दैट इज द बेसिक पॉइंट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
You can
So my second and my second problem is tricky HR related questions problem.
वो तो ये 50 का ज्यादा नहीं होगा ना. 50 का ज्यादा होने का उम्मीद नहीं है मेरा ख्याल से. मोस्ट कॉमन में सब कुछ आ गया. There can be some questions like say, would you tell a lie for our company? What is your
Sir,
answer?
I will read annual report of the company, then I
No.
then I can
See,
answer.
actually इसका आंसर है would you tell a lie for the company? इसमें क्या बोलना है? I will tell after informing my boss about this, and if it is in the interest of the company, I will tell. Otherwise, I won't do it myself. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
The responsibility has to be taken care of by my boss. If the company really needs my telling this lie, then I will tell.
Yes, sir.
A sort of diplomatic answer has to be given. Normally, we have to give definite answers, but some
Yes, sir. They think they want also confidentiality ki when after some time he leave my company and they ask to another one.
no that you can counter and tell them that I will not leave the company because my desire is to get into this. I was in Navy, I have come out and I want to settle in a place where I get a decent salary, and that is what you can say. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So are you eligible for pension or not?
Yes, sir. Eligible for pension.
Oh, very good, very good. That is good. You were in which rank in Navy?
Sir, petty officer, sir.
Petty officer का मतलब what are the ranks in Navy?
Ranks are equivalent to army में हवलदार है, sir.
No, Navy में कैसे का पहले वाला क्या rank है?
Sir, rank as C2, C1, leading petty officer, chief petty officer, master chief petty officer 2, master chief petty officer 1, sub lieutenant, lieutenant, lieutenant commander, commander, captain, commodore, and rear admiral, vice admiral, admiral, admiral of the fleet.
बाप रे बाप 15 scale है जी.
Yes, sir.
15 cadres are there. अरे भाई, good, excellent. So no problem. Now we have started today.
But sir, admiral of the fleet is not in at present.
Oh. No, but I'm not talking about top rank and all that. I'm asking at the lower level. So you joined, you had how many promotions in 15 years?
Sir, I take C2, C1 leading 4 promotions, sir.
4
15
promotions.
years.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
That's recent. Why did you not continue there only?
Sir, I fifth promotion in 15.5 years. I got fifth promotion. Then there is a promotion. आगे difficult है sir. मास आगे बनना थोड़ा competitive हो जाता है.
Oh, and not only that, maybe you wanted to stay with.
If I not able to promoted it master chief petty officer, I leave the Indian Navy at the age of 46. Then it is difficult to survive.
Yeah.
Get another job.
Yeah. Not only that, say you wanted to be with your family also, because after Sadi,
Yes,
up to Navy mein chala gaya, you were never with your family. That is the reason. Correct. That's very fine. How many people in Navy? Many of them do like this, or many of them prefer continuing with Navy.
Sir, 90% leave the Navy at the 15 years of service.
Oh, similarly, Air Force, Army also.
आर्मी में सर्वाइव करते हैं,
अच्छा,
नेवी में 90% छोड़ देते हैं,
Air Force.
एयरफोर्स में मोस्टली 20 इयर्स तक करते हैं।
अच्छा, आपको नेवी में where you had opportunities of working on the ship?
सर, आई एम अ सबमरीनर एक्चुअली।
Hmm.
मैं फर्स्ट in 2004 I joined the first ship, warship Nirvik. It's a
Hmm.
clerk class ship.
Hmm.
After that I joined a submarine, and 12 year I served in submarine arm.
Submarine means you were under the water only.
Yes sir.
अरे भाई,
Yes sir.
हर टाइम पानी के अंदर में घुसना।
Yes sir, 300 meters depth underwater.
Always.
Sir, it's a shorty, it's a sailing जाते थे हम 30 to 45 days.
सब फूड लेके
It's
जाएंगे।
depend upon.
या
Yes sir, everything.
एवरीथिंग लेके जाएंगे। ओ बाबा, तब आप लोग का कम्युनिकेशन कैसे होगा फैमिली से? फोन से बात कर सकते हैं?
No communication, sir.
वो पानी
At
के
present, there is a Indian satellite Rukmani. Through Rukmani satellite, we communicate family members. But in my time, there is no such.
ओहो, there was no
facility.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, very good, excellent, best wishes. This is just a beginning. I think you would have had some idea of how you should prepare. इससे आप prepare कर दीजिए. Next, after today is what date? 12th. Maybe by 19th or so, if you want, we can meet again. Then I will ask questions. I will not tell you the guidance and all that. Straight away ask questions and find out how are you able to answer. For example, once we go to commerce, I will ask you what is debt service coverage ratio, what is current assets current ratio, why ratio analysis is done, what is the advantage of it, how you can decide a company's capability by going through ratio analysis. ऐसा question पूछेगा, which is suitable for both chartered accountant and cost accountant. Both are same. I have done lot of chartered accountant interviews for
Sir, there is in company side of view, there is no difference between chartered accountant and cost accountant. There is a difference when they are practicing. If I start practicing, there is a difference between cost accountant and chartered accountant. In company view, there is no difference. There is a vacancy arise for chartered accountant. This vacancy also for cost accountant. Both are applicable.
Acha, acha, acha. Good, good. So I will ask you questions, then you can try to answer. I think from what you say, you feel that your communication ability in English is only your problem, whereas
Yes, sir.
you are not worried about talking about certain issue. Now tell me, what is current ratio? English mein bataiye.
The current ratio is current ratio is the ratio between the current asset and liability. Current assets are our debtor stock, inventories, cash, bank. Liabilities are creditors, account payable, trade payables, and bills payables. So bank overdrafts. These are liabilities. There is a 2:1 is a 2:1 ratio is a minimum ratio is a 2:1.
क्यों? क्यों 2:1? आपको आप बाहर खरीदना चाहते हैं, आपको पॉकेट में 2 रुपया है, आप 2 रुपये का अंदर में खरीदने से तो आपको 2 रुपया सफिशिएंट है, आप 3 रुपया का खरीदने से तो आपको प्रॉब्लम होगा. So I know many people normally have the view that 2:1 is an ideal ratio. It's not so. Banks में हम लोग prefer करते हैं borrowers having 1.33:1. क्योंकि your effective usage of your current assets, आपको पास 200 रुपया है, आपको खाली खर्चा करना 100 रुपया है, 100 रुपया तो खाली पड़ जाते हैं, जिसको आपको इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं आता है, कुछ भी नहीं आता है. So anyhow, that is all very difficult things. This only you have to argue and discuss with your people. We will discuss more questions like this later on. Don't worry. हाँ,
Yes,
आप भी पढ़ लीजिए ज़्यादा पढ़
yes,
लीजिए.
sir.
But you are not able to communicate effectively, fully in English. Why?
Yes.
Why?
Sir, it's a hesitation problem.
Habit problem. Because of habit है sir.
And
आपको अभी का
grammar weak.
present
Grammar
company,
में
no, present company maybe you are not talking in English. No.
sir, it's a small chartered accountant firm, and there is a one CA, and for art assistants they are only BCom, pursuing BCom.
Mhm.
So
So
there's a small.
all of them
charter.
talk only Hindi comfortably.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
No problem. But even that also, if you can communicate effectively, वो हो जाएगा. डेट सर्विस कवरेज रेशियो आप ऐसा भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. गूगल में जाइए, गूगल में जाके रेशियो एनालिसिस इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस. I am giving you wisdomjobs.com.
Yes.
I am giving you, perhaps you know that, फिर भी आप इसको रख लीजिए, प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. ठीक है, आपको बहुत कुछ दे दिया हमने अभी. इस सबको आप पढ़ लीजिए. पढ़ने का बाद में आइए मेरे पास. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. A video आपको चाहिए for would you like to watch
Yes,
it
sir.
again? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do you have objection in it being put into YouTube?
No, sir.
No problem.
No,
आपको because you are a Navy person, so confident, because you have not told any detail about your name. कुछ भी नहीं बताया.
So myself, Raul Kumar Sharma.
No, जरूरत नहीं हमको. I am telling, so there is nothing wrong in this. Let it come in, but this will be of more use for cost and other area people. But the only thing is, to be honest, interview is 50% luck,
Yes, sir.
50% आपका मेहनत. मेहनत, what is it in English?
The hard work.
Hard work, efforts. अच्छा, ठीक है. Best wishes. You can do well. थोड़ा ये सब prepare करके you give me next date कब आपको चाहिए बताइए. 19.
Sir, 18, 19 as you wish.
18 भी free है. 18 is Friday.
Sir,
I am free
yes,
by
sir.
7 o'clock. 7 p.m.
Indian time.
India time.
Yes, sir.
आप कितना बजे ऑफिस से वापस आएंगे?
सर अभी मैंने अभी लीव ले रखी है. मैं पहले कैंपस प्लेसमेंट के लिए मैंने बोल रखा है कि मैं 12-13 को मेरा कैंपस प्लेसमेंट है, तब तक मैं नहीं आऊंगा. मैं प्रिपरेशन करूंगा. एंड अभी कैंपस प्लेसमेंट की क्लासेस चल रही है, वो 16 तारीख 19 तक है. तो 16 तक ऑफलाइन है, 3 दिन बाकी ऑनलाइन होंगी. तो ऑनलाइन तो घर पे 4 बजे खत्म हो जाएंगी, वो 4 बजे फिनिश हो जाएंगी.
So we will have it after 19th, 20th रखेगा?
नहीं सर, 18, 19,
18.
मैं तो सर ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्लासेस लेना चाहता हूँ. मेरा तो मोटिव यही है.
Okay, I will do it. 1 minute. I will write the number 70154. Okay, note कर लिया. 18th 7 o'clock.
Yes sir. Okay.
18th 7 o'clock. And you pay on 17th only. 17th में payment कर लीजिए, no problem.
Yes.
Very good. 100 rupees only, and then we will talk for some time. And now I have showed you various angles. अभी today it has taken more time, लेकिन इतना समय नहीं होगा real interview में. Real interview will be 15 minutes, but I will be with you for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Best.
I make a payment 100 rupees on 17th.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yes.
And send a message to me on 17th.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. You are doing well. You are doing well, but आपको complex नहीं होना चाहिए. That you cannot
Yes.
talk in English. अच्छा, आपका बच्चा क्या करते हैं? What are your children?
Sir, my children, actually study in 5th class. My 3 daughters. Elder daughter is actually handicapped, mentally disturbed, and second one is in 5th class, and last one is younger one in second class. But my second daughter is so intelligent, so it's a special one.
Oh, no. But what happened to the first child? From birth itself.
Sir, actually, by birth problem, sir, it's Rohini too actually crying.
Is it what type of problem is that? That she cannot.
Neonatal septicemia. Cerebral palsy, neonatal septicemia.
Cerebral something. Acha.
Yes, sir.
She cannot stand. She cannot walk and all that.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yeah, she's just like 6 month baby.
Very sad. Oh. God bless me. We will meet again. Thank you.
Yes, okay.
Bye.
Bye.